concept of COPYWRIGHT is straightforward. Burn gas to produce power. It is ideal for camping or emergencies since it can produce about 100 watts of power and up to 1 kilowatt-hour from a 230-gram cylinder. However, a generator alone would be too commonplace, right? Thus, a 3-watt solar panel and a 7,500 or 12,000 mAh battery bank were installed by the manufacturers. Additionally, you may use it in the weather thanks to the IP68 waterproof cover that comes with it. Convenient ports, including USB-A, USB-C, and DC out choices are also included. But this adaptability has a similar cost of $359. A lamp for $159. Does it keep vampires, mosquitoes, and other bloodsuckers at bay? Nope. Rather, the designers prioritized power and brightness. With a maximum height of 2.7 meters and a maximum brightness of 1,200 lumens. This lantern can illuminate a space that is around 18 meters in circle. It has an integrated 10,400 mAh battery that can run the device for over 4 hours on maximum mode. It can also withstand temperatures between -20 and 45 degrees Celsius. Oh, and don't you think Devo's Light Ranger is a pretty fantastic name? Although no one enjoys cleaning dishes, they have been useful in helping biochemists determine the origins of dairy farming in Africa. Nevertheless, it's advisable to wash your crockery and cups after a camping excursion. Moreover, the water warmer simplifies things. This is the situation. It takes 2 minutes to get water to 80 degrees Celsius using 600 watts of power. The temperature may be adjusted in 5 different ways, with 100 degrees Celsius being the maximum. It also cleanses water as it makes use of electrolysis. A water warmer that is completely charged is capable of 10 normal heating cycles, each lasting 60 seconds. It costs $179 and 650 grams. There's also hot camping shower coverage thanks to Cockadoo's Outback, a small but effective device. It has a weight of 7.3 kg. It comes with a shower head that can heat water to 50 degrees Celsius and has a 2.5 meter hose. It's worth the effort to attach it to a gas tank and charge its batteries. Up to 2 hours of uninterrupted hot showers are guaranteed by the makers. Water use is minimal. A 19-liter bucket will fill up in around 2 hours. Additionally, the shower head has a button that allows you to adjust the water flow. This model is available for $499. Any tent would benefit from the addition of the Zen BB Soft Top. The only modular pillow that provides optimal comfort while minimizing weight is this one. It is composed of 3 components: an inflated chamber for adjusting height, a down core, a Pongi pillowcase too. At just 173 grams, the regular edition is lighter than many paperback novels. By packing a jacket inside the pillowcase and removing the down core, you may reduce its weight even more. The maker will provide clips to stop slippage on a sleeping bag or mattress starting this year. Not to mention the hues. One is even available in violet. The cost of a pillow of normal size is $65. Time magazine rated the BioLite Fire Pit the greatest invention of 2023. Fire Pit BioLite. You can cook without producing smoke and enjoy the warmth of a fire with this clever portable fire pit. All because of the integrated fan that controls the airflow through the tubes to ensure ideal combustion. 30 seconds after you light the fire, the smoke disappears. Additionally, the mobile app allows you to modify the flame using Bluetooth. The device has a 10,400 mAh battery that allows it to function for 24 hours and to recharge other devices. Its ability to operate with both metal and wood is an additional advantage. One is available for $250. The Fiskars Hip XA3 is typically listed under garden tools on websites, but this machete will also come in handy when camping, especially due of its 23 cm blade, which makes it simple to carry and cut branches with. It also features a Teflon covering and two-fold hardening. Reviews laud its oxidation resistance. A non-slip, shock-absorbing soft grip substance is used to make the handle. For $45, sellers are offering the Fisker set in a plastic case. A transportable personal water plant is available for $94. Not too bad. See what it is capable of. Our facility, which goes by the name Fueling Way, is that black block over there. It has 5 filtering stages to get rid of microplastics, heavy metals, and microorganisms. It only takes 10 seconds to get clean drinking water going. A fully charged battery has a 227-liter lifespan. It may be recharged by turning the handle using a power bank or a solar panel. It also functions as a charger and flashlight when necessary. 1,000 gallons is the filter's lifespan. Introducing Sunda 2.0, a hybrid of a hammock and a tent. The designers redesigned it while retaining the essential elements after taking note of the errors made in the initial 2016 iteration. It now just takes a minute to convert from a single hammock to a 2-person tent. It is more wind resistant thanks to the new poles. Its 3.2 square meter interior is spacious enough to accommodate 2 adults, a few children, pets and equipment. It has a maximum weight capacity of 181 kg. Get the Sunda 2.0 on Kickstarter for $320 if you order it early. I wonder how well this organizer will get along with the Sunda 2.0. It should, after all, be intended for usage with hammocks. 9 pockets are available, one of which is concealed. Okay, so maybe it wasn't the best idea to show it in the advertisements, but let's pretend we missed it. The name of this product is Hammock Hold All, 40 grams in weight, suitable for carrying water bottles and torches. It is available in several hues. There is brown or black if orange isn't your color. Strangely enough, it's constructed of 70D nylon, much like a lot other Kickstarter hammocks. It costs $21. Because they built a lighter, the makers of COPYWRIGHT X Power actually know their way around fire. How much lighter is it too? In addition to having a battery bank and flashlight built in, this is the first plasma model in the world with USB Type-C recharging. In advertising, in the rain, or in the wind. In every circumstance, COPYWRIGHT X Power produces an arc that is 1100 degrees Celsius. There is a charge level indicator on the 2900 mAh battery. The 100 lumen flashlight makes it easy for you to see in the dark. The shock, dust, and grime cannot penetrate the polycarbonate casing. This lighter is available for $53. Thor's coffee machine is Coffee Box. If coffee is the nectar of the gods, that is only one passage from several evaluations that extol this technological marvel. The makers spared no expense in creating the most robust coffee machine ever. 4 of them were even supported by an SUV and they held up. With a capacity of 2, the Coffee Box also has the biggest water tank available. 5 liters, and even when it's on its side, it stays leak-free. Support for K-Cup capsules is just another fantastic feature. Even with its robustness, it only weighs a light 5 kg. 3 different portion sizes are offered. Milliliters, 236, 295, and 355. However, one drawback is that there is no battery. This coffee machine is available on eBay for $395. Excuse the gory details, but the Julka Gotta Go portable toilet is unique in that it distinguishes between liquid and solid excrement. They are placed in 2 distinct containers. You may fill the solid waste container with wood chips, specific chemicals, or just a bag. The Julka Gotta Go requires less emptying than other choices because of its design. It is made to fit 23 number 2s and 15 number 1s. As there's no flush, vinegar works well for cleaning. You may relax knowing that even the CEO has examined the toilet opening size. Julka Gotta Go is priced at $251. For those who adore the outdoors but don't want to sleep on the ground, there is the Tranendreef tent. Developed mainly as an artistic endeavor in Holland, it's like a dream to be by yourself in the company of breathtaking scenery come true. Sincerely, the project's creator, an artist rather than an engineer, acknowledges that it is too costly for mass manufacture. However, its peculiar drop-like design meshes flawlessly with its minimalist interior. Not a single computer, smart assistant or screen. All it has is a big mattress, a window and a seat that doubles as a shelf. 2 adults and 2 kids can fit in there. At these tent campgrounds, facilities like restrooms, showers and BBQ pits are typically close by. It is around $75 per night. ISSE is more than just an English rock group. Moreover, it is a cooking system that can provide hot meals to a maximum of 5 persons. Either Jetlink-enabled stoves or the device alone can use it. Its compactness is among its key advantages. It weighs around 4 kg and has 2 burners, a frying pan, a wok and other parts that fold up like a Russian doll. Cooking is fast. 3 minutes is all it takes to boil water. Although the whole Genesis kit costs $400, the business now sells individual Genesis components as well. Customers may have everything at their disposal with Bug Beater 2.0, a fridge, a mosquito net and a canopied chair. As the name implies, this is the second iteration, and the business has significantly improved over the original. It can now cool 5 beverage cans instead of 3, and hold up to 159 kg instead of 136 kg. It's ideal for travelers, as it occupies less than 1/8 of the space required for a beach umbrella, lounge chair, and standard refrigerator. It weighs only 6 kilos as well. For $78, would you buy it?